Hello, my energetic explorers. My name is E, and I am here to take you on an exciting adventure with the letter E. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, let's sing a fun song about the letter E.
E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for egg, crack a ding dong. E is for engine, chugging so fast. E is for earth, so big and vast. E is for envelope, sending a note. E is for eraser, watch it float. E is for eagle, flying so high. E is for ear, listening, oh my. E is exciting, E is fun.
Now, let's learn how to write the letter E. Follow along with me. Great job! That's how you write a big E. Now write a small e. You are doing amazing. Grab your pencil and try writing the letter E on your paper. Keep practicing the letter E and look for E words all around you. See you. Bye bye.